Hey guys, I'm here in Jogashima. It's on the southern part of Kanagawa Prefecture, about 100 kilometers south of Tokyo, Japan. And we're out here ahead of tropical storm Manyi. Storm is still down near Shikoku, starting to make its right hand turn towards the north, but a lot of these larger swells are continuing to come ashore, and these waves crashing ashore up to 5 to 6 meters high, is at least breaking at some point. So pretty jagged rocks out here. This is the day before the storm arrives. We're still going to be out here going through Monday morning as well. Oh my God.